be covering about the SSB, that is Service Selection Board. We also call it such board. Now you all are DAV University students, so I will be covering relate to your commission, not the NDA or 10+2 technical entry. First is जो सबसे बड़ा commission है, NCC cadets are sitting here, that is NCC special entry. NCC special entry, now they have given the marks, how much marks you are scoring, 70%, 60%, 80%, and accordingly marks are given for your selection also. Second, you should have A certificate, A grading, oblique B grading. These are the two grading which are required. The beauty of this commission is you need not require to give the UPSC written exam. You will be going directly for the SSB, for the medical and final merit list. 65 vacancies are there for SD every 6 months. Notification come, you can fill online, and the SSB dates would be given as per your choice. Then the selection board, different selection board like Prayagraj, Bhopal, Bangalore, Jalandhar. I am covering Indian Army, similarly for Navy and Air Force. So try to score good marks in your academics. It will help you because those marks are added in your SSB. Second commission which we have is the CDS, Combined Defence Services, in which two type of commission. One is permanent commission. You will be coming to my hometown, that is Dehradun. It's a permanent commission. Second is OTA, Officer Training Academy, which is in Chennai. Nowadays, BTech entry, their training is going on in OTA Gaya. BTech entry. Again, for that, you need not require to give the UPSC written exam. Now, this Short Service Commission and Permanent Commission, we call it CDS, the exams are conducted in the month of April and in September. Pan India on Sunday. Notification comes and you have to fill the application, give the exam. Now for Permanent Commission, you have to clear the maths paper. Otherwise, if you want Short Service Commission or you are weak in maths, then perforce you have to apply for OTA Chennai. It's a Short Service Commission. 10 years is the mandatory service required. You can extend for 4 more years. Short Service Commission. Third, which I said, BTech. You can also apply just after when you are in last semester. So you can apply for BTech entry also. BTech, we have 3 branches: signals, engineers and EME. Though they are going in infantry, RT, armored, other regiments also. Now for NCC special entry, the training is of 9 months. Short Service Commission, again of 9 months. And for BTech entry also 9 months. If you want Permanent Commission, you have to clear the maths paper, and 18 months of training is there, that is in Dehradun. You are not the service entry or you are not in 12th class, so I have covered the commission which are applicable for you. Many are law student also. They can go for law also, JAC officers. We have education is also one of our branch, but it required PG with minimum 55% marks. 55. So you can apply for education core also, law also. Now coming to the commission, that is Service Selection Board. Once you clear the written exam, SSB dates will be given to you, dates and the center, you know. So first is the screening test. At present, in screening test, we have OIR, Officer Intelligence Rating. OIR is, verbal and non-verbal. Verbal is 15 seconds. Non-verbal is, verbal is 20 seconds and non-verbal is 15 seconds. It's a combination of tests. Basically, we are checking your intelligence and reasoning ability. These are the two tests. In coming time, we are moving to computerized test. You must have seen in social media. So we are moving toward the computerized this. And second test is PPDT, Picture Perception Description Test. First I will tell you the skeleton of it, then I will let you know the procedure, what we are searching. PPDT is Picture Perception Description Test. Now one photo which is black and white, blur, will be shown on the projection. You all will be sitting in a hall on table chair with your writing material. We will be showing just for 30 seconds. You have to see how many male, female character are there, what is their age, what dress they are wearing, what action they are doing. Please jot down everything. Whom you are going to make the hero or heroine, what is in the surrounding and what is in the background. I repeat, how many characters are there, male, female, what is their age, what dress they are wearing, what action they are doing, whom you are going to make the hero or heroine, what is in the surrounding and what is in the background. Time 30 seconds. I keep telling to all my SSB aspirant, Kamar Gardan Seedha, and eyebrow should be on your forehead, because observation, sharp observation will make the plot and further story. After that, there will be a rectangular square box will be there and the action has to be written. As per the watch, from the center point of the watch, 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock. You have to see where the characters are and how far from the distance. You have to depict them in similar way in the box. Someone is 11 o'clock, 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock, and from the center point where they are, how far they are. You will be depicting. Three things have to be written: their age, whether they are male or female, and their mood. There are 15 variety of mood, but in SSB we write positive, negative or neutral. Please understand, leader, warrior is always positive, whatever the circumstances are. To whom you are making the hero or heroine has to be positive. Optimistic view about the life. Stress, problems, struggle are part of life. They are finding the solution. You have to write 5-6 character, not much. Say in the shown photo there are 15 character, 20 character. You write only 5, those who are close to the center. Why I am saying, for filling the box and the heading, we give only 1 minute. You won't be getting more time. So I repeat, age, then male or female. Third is mood, positive, negative, neutral. Now heading actionable heading has to be written. Actionable. Then you will get 4 minutes to write the story. Only 4 minutes. You have to write 11 to 13 lines. स्टोरी के 3 भाग होते हैं कि जो सीन आपने देखा उससे पहले आप क्या कर रहे थे, फिर जो सीन आपको मिला, जो फोटो में आप देख रहे हैं, आपने क्या एक्शन किया। यहां पर आपको ऑफिसर लाइक क्वालिटीज दिखानी है। एंड द थर्ड इज व्हाट इज द आउटकम। नाउ प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, warriors are not working for reward, award or appreciation. They give satisfaction and happiness whom they are helping and vanish from the scene. 4 minute, 3 भाग हैं, कहानी के 3 भाग हैं कि जो सीन देखा उससे पहले आप क्या कर रहे थे। नाउ आप बास्केटबॉल प्लेयर हैं तो यू कैन राइट गोइंग टू प्ले द फाइनल बास्केटबॉल मैच। वॉलीबॉल के हैं तो वॉलीबॉल लिखें। ट्यूशन पढ़ने जा रहे हैं, समथिंग क्रिएटिव, नॉट दैट कि मौज मस्ती के लिए जा रहे हैं, यू नो, समथिंग क्रिएटिव जो आपके लाइफ से कनेक्टेड है। ठीक है, वो फोटो देखने से पहले आप एक्शन कर रहे हैं, मतलब आप कर रहे थे। It could be like you are going to DAV University, like you all are from DAV University, going for your competitive exam.